This is the Schrade SCH F49 fixed blade tactical knife. Sleek, compact, and ready for action, the SCH F49 sports a 4.25-quarter-inch full tang, fixed blade crafted from black-coated HCR13 MOV high-carbon stainless steel. With a total length of 9.5 inches and weight of only 6.8 ounces, this stealth yet rugged blade sports a razor-sharp fine edge and drop-point blade, making this knife a perfect side-worn companion for first responders, tactical professionals, and anyone in need of a versatile mid-sized utility knife. 3-position jimping, ergonomic finger cutouts, and micro-groove TPE handle slabs provide a comfortable and secure grip, regardless of situational or weather conditions. The pommel end lanyard hole makes it easy to add a length of cord to secure the SCH F49 to your wrist for additional safety. When not in use, the knife snaps firmly into its durable black nylon fiber sheath and is released into action by grasping the handle firmly and pulling up to disengage the friction lock. Carry the knife on any belt up to 2 inches wide, using the molded loop, or drop this package in a pouch, pack, or pocket for everyday care. Rugged, compact, and reliable, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH F49 fixed blade tactical knife.
The Buckknives 112 Ranger LT is a lighter, more streamlined version of the classic 112 Ranger folder, designed predominantly for utility and hunting tasks. With an adapted one-piece handle and bolster made of hard nylon, this knife's carry weight is significantly less than its parent at only 2.5 ounces. The 3-inch 420HC stainless steel clip-point blade is tumbled for better corrosion resistance. The lockback keeps the blade open and secure. It packs easy or can be belt carried with the heavy-duty black polyester sheath. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever. The Buckknives 112 Ranger LT.
The original Manix 2 Lightweight was the winner of Blade Magazine's coveted Most Innovative American Design Award. It combined the full-service cutting performance of the popular Manix 2 with a revolutionary lightweight handle molded from tough FRCP. This elite expression of the Manix 2 Lightweight combines its weight-saving advantages, full-service cutting power, and the strength of the ball-bearing lock mechanism with the enhanced edge retention and corrosion resistance of CPM Spy 27. This remarkable steel, enhanced by the amplifying effects of cobalt and the state-of-the-art crucible particle metallurgy process, is produced exclusively for Spyderco. The blade's leaf-shaped profile flows seamlessly into the lines of the handle while providing both a forefinger choil and an understated thumb ramp. The blade's 14mm trademark round hole makes one-handed deployment with either hand swift and positive.
My name is Vance Culver. I'm the Director of Product Line Management at Benchmade. Today we're talking about new variants of the 9070 Claymore family. So the Claymore family was originally intended for law enforcement, military. The goal was to achieve a very lightweight product without compromising strength and durability. We found that it also makes a great EDC. And the EDC community tends to like plain edge knives over serrated. It makes it easier to resharpen at home and care for that edge. New for 2022, for the Claymore family, we decided to introduce it with a plain edge only option in both colors, the 9070 BK in black and the 9070 BK-1 in the Ranger green. The 9070 Claymore family features CPM D2 blades, the Cerakote coating on all variants, Grivery handles, also features a reversible deep carry clip. My favorite feature of the Claymore products are the push-button autos. I just love the mechanism, how it feels in the hand, how it fires with authority when you release that button. Some of the things I love about this Claymore family are the ergonomics, nice traction features that aren't too aggressive, so it's comfortable for long-term use, the integrated safety, and the deep carry reversible clip for convenience of carry.
Today at CRKT, I'll be walking you through the new Terzuola Survival Rescue Knife, the TSR. This is a useful fixed-blade knife with sheath survival system that includes life-saving extras built right into the handle and sheath. Designed by legendary custom knife maker Bob Terzuola, the meat and potatoes of this survival knife system is the classic drop point fixed blade with a satin finish. The blade is 4.4 inches long. The total knife length comes in at 9.25, a substantial pattern designed for outdoor survival. What really sets this system apart is the sheath and the hollow space inside the knife handle. They're packed with survivalist extras. First off, the tough glass-reinforced nylon handle you can actually take apart by turning this oversized flathead screw here, big enough to be moved with a simple screwdriver, or in a survival situation, a flat skipping rock, anything you can find, a penny, small coin, would also work. Inside the handle you'll find fishing line, fishing hooks, 2 needles, and dental floss, which can be surprisingly handy when the options are scarce. The whole board at the base of the blade can be lashed to the end of a wooden stick to become a spear. Bob really included everything here for survivalists. Now, the sheath features: a ceramic sharpening edge on one side, a magnesium fire starter edge on the other side, and the sheath includes a reflective signal plate in case there's an opportunity for you to make contact with a passing search plane or search party across the ridgeline. The clip on the sheath keeps it close at hand, and with plenty of holes here, it's versatile and you can strap it to any pack or gear or wear it in a variety of ways. The overall weight checks in at 4.3 ounces, that's 122 grams. Join our social media community, use hashtag Confidence in Hand. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing to carry CRKT Knives and Tools.